We heard about Buresh through our insurance company. We had an issue with windows that were damaged, and we said, where do we go from there? We had not bought windows. We had had Pella windows in the past in our previous home, always have had Pella. We knew it was a good product. So when the insurance company said we would use Buresh, we said okay. So I contacted them. They came out, did all the measurements, really thorough about the measurements. I met several of the ladies there that do that. I was impressed, women are doing this, I like that. And then I got in contact with the salesman, who is Drew, and he's like my grandson. I was impressed with the crew from Buresh that came to install my windows. I felt they were very thorough, very kind, and clean up. I had Heath and his son, and I was amazed at how quickly the process went. I figured the days that they gave me of how long it was going to take was not, and as you see, I have a lot of windows. But they were very thorough, and I enjoyed having them in my home. Sometimes you work with a contractor and they do a little bit and then leave you hanging for you don't know when they're going to get back. That was not the situation here. When he said he would be back tomorrow morning, he was here. The job went very smoothly. We had no problems. I was impressed that everything was here, sitting on the driveway. The dumpster was here. They had no problem getting rid of the old things. They made sure things were cleaned up as far as nails or screws or anything that you would run over on your car. It was very thorough and well done. My husband's business in Grimes. With all the rains we had this spring, we started noticing we were getting rain inside the building and down the wall. So because of the work I had done here, I went back to Buresh and talked to Drew, and he came out and did the measuring and gave me an estimate, and they did do the job. And it was very quick, same way, and they did a great job. Not pushing me all the time to make a decision, or I just felt like they were an honest company. That's what impressed me, was an honest company.